Hello everyone. So if you want to enable or disable mobile data saver on your Xiaomi 14T Pro, you're to open up your settings, scroll down to your apps. Now you gotta choose system app settings. You gotta choose your security tab and find your data usage. In your data usage tab, simply press data plan. All right, and here you can enable or disable your mobile data saver. So press mobile limit and you can choose your monthly limit. So for example, let's set it on 2, and here you can choose between gigabytes and megabytes. I'll leave it on gigabytes, press OK. You can choose what is going to happen when your data plan is used up. So either show warning or to warn and turn off mobile data. You can choose your data usage warning level. So when it's gonna be 60% of these 2 gigabytes, we're gonna get a warning. And a usage date reset. So choose a date when your monthly limit is gonna be rewinded, for example, on the first one. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.